Tracy here with BibleJournalingMinistries.com, and today I'm going to make some bookmarks with our fall planning kit here. Now I have printed my third page out, my tabs and toppers out, and I've printed them out on cardstock. So I think they're going to make really cute little bookmarks. But also there are other elements here as well that we could use for bookmarks, but I did use those in my planner. So I am just going to make the bookmarks today. If you want to see that other video, go ahead. I will link up so that you can see it, and you can see how I decorated my planner for October. The first thing I would like to let you know that you need is some ribbon. You're going to need a glue gun and some glue sticks, and some paper clips. I like to use these bigger paper clips, but you can also use the smaller ones as well. It's totally up to you and what you prefer. Because I'm going to be using a hot glue gun, I'm going to protect my work surface. I'm going to go ahead and just grab just a little baking mat is what these are. They're just alternative to a Ranger craft mat, super cheap. Yeah, I prefer to use these, and they work really well, especially if I'm going to be doing anything messy. So I've got my little die cuts here. I don't need these big ones. These are page toppers, and we have another video on those. So I'm going to move that out of the way and grab my paper clips here and these paper clips here, and I'm just going to need some ribbon too. So I hope that you guys will make these with me as I'm making them. I hope that you will make some along with me, so you don't have to just watch the video. You can definitely be doing these alongside with me, because I think it's really fun when we craft together. I'm going to go ahead and just grab some, this is just old ribbon, and I just keep all my ribbon in this little container. If I find it a lot around the house and I might be tempted to throw it away, or my husband might be tempted to throw it away, and I just grab it and I throw it in here, and then I just randomly pick things out of it to use. It's a hot mess, to be quite honest with you. But I just don't want to throw it away because it's just so fun. Like, look how pretty this is. I think it would make a really great bookmark. So let's go ahead and use this ribbon here. I'm gonna just grab a yellow paper clip. I wonder if I could get 2 out of this. Yeah, I can get 2 out of it. So I'm gonna cut this in half. And for those of you who want to know the size of this ribbon that I'm going to be using, this ribbon is approximately 13 centimeters. Approximately 13 centimeters, and for those of you who like inches, about 5 inches. And to make this bookmark, I'm just going to hold my paper clip down, so both of these little bottom pieces or round pieces are at the bottom, pointing down. And then I'm going to take my ribbon and just halfway through, make sure that it's kind of halfway in the middle, right, the center of my ribbon. I'm going to place it right on top of that paper clip. Then what I can do is I can feed my ribbon through the hole at the top, and you'll see that once I feed it through the hole in the top, it's like it wants to give you a hug. So you know you've done it right if it wants to give you a hug. So just hold these 2 pieces of ribbon, and then just pull them slightly up at the top, okay? And then what you can do is you can take the ribbon pieces and then pull them up one by one until you get a nice snug little topper there. Just mess around with it with your hands until you get it the way you like it. Okay, it's real easy. If you want to secure the back of that, feel free. Just take your glue gun and just put a little bit of glue at the back. That should help it not kind of unravel, although I've never had one unravel before ever. And then we're ready for the next piece. So let's see, which girl will I use? Could use a little girl like there, and she would be adorable on this, wouldn't she? We can also use the little dog as well, who has a yellow sweater on. I'm going to go with the girl. For the girl, I'm just going to put a little piece of glue at the top of that ribbon right there. And I'm going to take my little girl piece and just press her right down there. Just lay her flat. There we go. Just make sure she gets adhered. Okay. I'm pretty happy with how she's looking. I do have a little bit of a issue with my ribbon, but that's okay. I don't want to mess around with it too much, or otherwise I will rip it. And then I just want to trim off the edges, just like that, until I'm happy with the result. And I'm pretty happy with the result. I think it's super cute. So now she can go into my planner right where she belongs. There she is. Isn't she cute? Okay, let's do another one. And this time I think I might use, let's use the green. I have so much of it. How about the green with the yellow? Where's the end of this? What do you guys do with your ribbon? Do you store it in a container like this too? Or do you store it somewhere else? Do you have a special method you use? I'm really curious. Another option that you can consider, you don't have to do it the same way I'm doing it. I'm just going to grab a couple pieces this time. I want to, let me just snap that off there. And for those of you who are wondering how long that ribbon is, I just grabbed a piece of. It is 32 centimeters, about 32 centimeters. I'm just going to cut that in half. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to tie it in a knot. See what that looks like. You don't always have to do it the same way. I always like to mess around and try things different, see if I get different results. I'm just going to tie a little knot. Just like this. Ta-da! Yeah, I like it. So I've got a little knot at the top here. And that's 2 pieces of ribbon, because this ribbon was kind of flimsy, so I'm just going to pull it up at the top. Make a little top there at the top. And then I'm going to cut off the ends like so. Ta-da! So cute. And then what I think I will do, I'm thinking little cute doggy, or even a little coffee cup. I'm going to go with cute doggy. So for cute doggy, I'm just going to grab my hot glue gun here. Just a little dab will do ya. And a little hot diggity dog right there on the top. Whoops. Uh-oh, I got a little glue on him. That's okay. And he should stay just fine like that. If you want your ribbon to kind of poke out, like go different, like if you want it to go a little bit different, you can always just take some glue and force that ribbon to go up a little bit. So if I were to take just a little bit of glue at the back of this, I could force that ribbon to kind of go straight up and down. Just like that, you see? It's a little bit floppy, but still cute nonetheless. And we'll add him next to the girl. We've got the dog and the girl. Shall we try one more? We could do a little coffee cup. Let's do the coffee cup. And this time I'm going to go with this ribbon because I just want to finish using the rest of that ribbon. It's so cute. And I'm going to go with, well, let's see, the coffee cup would be red coffee cup. Maybe I'll go with the red. It's actually kind of a brown coffee cup. I don't think it looks good like that. I think I'm going to go with maybe blue, or yeah, I'm going to have to go with white. Yeah. Or I could go yellow ribbon, yellow girl. That would be better. Alright, yellow ribbon, yellow girl for later. I won't make you watch that one. But coffee cup and maybe this one with the blue. I'm just going to trim off some blue there. And I'm going to go ahead and just make this like we've been making it, through the loop. Just like that. Easy, easy. This stuff is so super easy. But it's so fun. You can make these forever. Like, you just sit in front of your TV and make them. And then give them away. Like, put them on a... Make a few of them. You could get a little tag and put a few of them on a tag and give them away as a gift for Christmas. People like these handmade things. And I'm going to put that right there. Just like that. Little coffee cup one. Oh, that's adorable. That's adorable. I think its ribbon is just a little bit too big, so I'm going to just trim it up a little bit. Man, is that just not the most adorable little bookmark? I'm just going to put it right here so you can see all the ones we did today. Right there in our planner. And again, they would make really great bookmarks as well for your Bible journaling. And we do have a coordinating set for the fall. So you could get the entire set and have the bookmarks and have the Bible journaling kit and have everything together. And wouldn't that just be super fun and cute? So if I'm putting it in the Bible, I just want to show you real quickly before we're done. I hope that you like our channel and subscribe or follow us, follow our channel. And really does help us out when you comment and you like and you subscribe. It really helps YouTube and Facebook to share with everyone else. If you engage with our videos, other people will see them, and that really helps our ministry. So thank you so much for that. And here they are in the Bible. They're so cute. I hope that this video inspired you, and I hope that you created some bookmarks with me. And if you didn't get a chance to create them with me, I hope that you will definitely be creating them at your home here in the future. They're so easy. I hope that you have a fabulous day now, and we'll talk to you soon. God bless you. Goodbye.